Hello, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
స్క్రీన్ కనపడుతుందండి?
No,
Hello.
sir. కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Now,
లేదు సార్, కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
here
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
కనపట్లేదా?
నో సార్, కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ మరి.
Now,
షేరింగ్ అవుతుందని వచ్చింది సార్. స్టార్ట్ ఇంకా స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ అని లోడ్ అవుతుంది సార్, ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు సార్. సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వలేదు సార్ మరి.
సార్ కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే.
You bet. Prosper.
See, now audible, voice audible అండి? హలో
సార్ వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుంది మరి. నాది ప్రాబ్లం అనుకోండి సార్, నాకైతే స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
మేబీ యువర్ పర్సనల్ ప్రాబ్లం.
కలవట్లేదు సార్, కలవట్లేదు,
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
ఎవరికి కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
కనిపించట్లేదు, ఎవరికి కనిపించట్లేదు సార్,
మరి ఎవరో
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్,
అంటే వాడు బ్లాక్ గా
కనిపించట్లేదు
కనిపిస్తుంది
సార్.
స్క్రీన్. సో
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
now
సార్ కనిపించలేదు సార్ మరి. సార్ ఒకసారి మిగతా వాళ్ళని కూడా ఒకసారి అడగండి సార్.
లేదు కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
see now.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు
యా
కనిపిస్తుంది
సార్.
Okay, right. So in the last sessions, we concluded the solid based rapid prototyping techniques. In this class, we are going for the next category, that is order based rapid prototyping technique. So here also we are going to discuss two kinds of technologies or methods. One is selective laser sintering and the second one is 3D printing. So here from by the name you can understand. By the name you can understand, here we are using the powder material as in the powder form. Material is in the form of powder. So here the name is selective laser sintering, where sintering is we are going to heat the powder and finally below the melting point. It should not reach to the melting point, but it is some deformable nature. We need to convert into some deformable nature, and next it will be formed as a solid substance. So if it is pure fully melted, it is converted into liquid state. So we should not convert it into pure liquid state. Just we have to heat the powder, and then the particular substance is converted into solid substance. Here the moving laser beam. So here laser beam is going to move and heat fusible powders in the areas corresponding to CAD geometry. So CAD geometry, as in the similar in the previous methods as previous methods, here also the CAD geometry models will be generated and it to be modeled by layer, and same the build cycle is to be completed for one layer. So next, after completion of first layer, the second layers and subsequent layers is going to be bonding to the previous we call it as preceding layers, succeeding layers, preceding layers. Okay, so after each layer completed, the new layer of loose powders are spread across the surfaces and here gradually bonded by laser beam into solid mass that forms 3D geometry. See, in areas not sintered, so that will be, oh, I mean, all the powder granules are substances. If it is not sintered, I mean, if it is not converted into 3D parts, some excess powders are left in the process that remains in loose, I mean, scattered manner, that will be form in the loose form. So that will be again uh, poured out of the completed part. I mean, I will show the figures, and from that you can understand. Here the SL, it is somewhat like SL, stereolithography, the same, it's similar to first technique, that is liquid based rapid prototyping technique, first technique. So here high powered laser, the experimental setup, it requires a high powered laser to fuse small particles of plastic, metal, or ceramic or glass. So here we have the capability to build components with the materials of plastic, metal, ceramic, and glass materials. So during build cycle, the platform on which the build cycle are positioned lowered the single layer thickness. So after one layer has been formed, after that the platform will be lowered. So I will give a graphical representation, then you can understand clearly. So the process repeats until build model is completed. The same phenomena. So unlike SLA technique, here the additional feature is, in the SLA technique we need supporting materials. In the SLA technique we need supporting materials. Here the supporting materials is not required. So it is generally supported by the unsintered materials itself. The additional supporting materials are not required. The advantage of this particular technique. Okay, so if you see, this is our geometrical relation. So here see, first the powder supply. So from here, the powder is feeded, or the powder is supplied from here. So later, it so here we are having three cavities: first cavity, second cavity, and third cavity. So in the second cavity, the product is going to be 303. 303. Unmute yourself. 303. Okay. See here we are having three cavities, and the first cavity, the supplying material is A5. Unmute yourself. A5.
Touched it, sir. Wrongly touched it, sir.
Okay. Please don't repeat again. See. So here the laser, the cylindrical type of feature is here visible here, the cylindrical feature. So here the laser beam is supplied, and here focus, I mean lenses will be provided. Here the scanning mirrors, the mirror will be there, and from the mirror, so the geometrical, so it is a rotating mirror, so it is going to be rotating mirror. So here we are in this particular manufacturing setup, we are going to have galvanometers. Galvanometers is provided. Galvanometers, it will defects and indicating the electric currents. So galvanometers also used in this particular technique. And here the sintered part or the build part is visible here. So see here, after each layer, after forming each layer, the platform is going to be moves down in downward direction. This is build chamber. It is known as build chamber or platform. Sometimes in the previous techniques we call it as sometimes platform. Here it is they call it as chamber. So here the powder bed. So above the again build chamber, we are having some bed type, I mean some supporting feature is provided. And again, after completion of each layer, if there is any excess material deposited here, I mean unsintered materials, again this particular leveling, we call it as leveling roller. Leveling roller. So this will come, this will rolls on this particular building cavity, the building chamber. So when it comes to this particular build chamber, so the excess material, again here the collecting chamber, we call it as collecting chamber, powder feed supply again. So I will show clearly, don't worry. So here powerful carbon dioxide laser. So the laser which is having the capacity, and excess powder can be recycled. So the powder which is left in the build chamber, it is collected in the third cavity, and again it can be recycled. So here they may be collecting from here. Again the feed will be the material will be feeded. Again the leveling roller will gives the material to the build cavity. So software, DTM software, the name of the software we are going to use DTM View. So materials. Here we are having materials for SLS. The short form is of this technique is SLS technique. So for this technique we are having 3 modules. the module wise we are having different materials. So tooling module, we are having materials as rapid steel, copper, polyamide, and laser form. So in the casting module, so what kind of material component you are going to produce, whether you are going to produce a high strength materials or tools or whatever may be different functional or daily uses, I mean whatever may be the customized I mean decorative products, so that these particular materials will be depends upon that particular applications, that is polycarbonate. So here casting module and true form, cast form. So sand form, zirconium 2 and silicon. So these are the materials. Again, functioning module nylon. In the nylon itself, you are having fine nylon and jura form. So these are the different materials. So what are the advantages of this particular material technique? It is, so any powder that can be sintered will bond without melting, that can be used. That means unsintered materials then that can be used again without the bond without melting can be used. So materials are non-toxic materials. It does not usually require support structures, as I discussed in the first point itself. As SLA technique, I mean stereolithography technique, it requires some support structures. Here the build material, it acts as a supporting structures, though no additional support structures are facilitated here. The accuracy levels, the accuracy range maintains here from minus 0.05 to 0.25 mm, and it is fairly good. And piece size, that is component size, the component size 305 into 380 mm can be cast at so per hour how much how much material structure will be built, that is 25 to 12 to 25 mm per hour. So it takes some time definitely. From the CAD file, what are the different stages first in the rapid prototyping? What are the different stages or steps? First one is, hello, 91 91 91, unmute yourself. '91.
Yes, sir.
What is the various steps required for the part component build? Various steps required in the rapid prototyping.
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
Anyone? Other participants, other students? What are the different steps, the common steps for rapid prototyping techniques? So I have forwarded PPTs, PDF materials, textbook, everything.
CAD model.
Yes, first we have to generate a CAD model from your concept. Okay. Next.
And then prototype. So
Next stage is tessellation. So here itself, I think here it is not visible now. See, geometric modeling, tessellation, slicing, next product development. So the figures will be there. So I will show clearly.
Tasty.
See here. It is visible. Is it visible? Hello? Hello? See here.
సార్ ఆ స్క్రీన్ అలాగే ఉంది సార్, మరి ఓపెన్ అవ్వలేదు సార్ అది పీడిఎఫ్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ అయిందా?
లేదు సార్, అవ్వలేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ అయిందండి?
అవ్వలేదు సార్. అయింది సార్, ఇప్పుడు అయింది సార్.
Okay, here see, step by step. Here first CAD model we have to generate in the computer software from the computer software. Next tessellation. So tessellation is creating into STL files, that is the standard triangular language. So the CAD model, the language it will be converted into STL language. Later the slicing process will be carried out. The slicing, it is different horizontal layers. Into horizontal layers we are going to slice this particular component. The I mean with the different thickness, with the same thickness with the different heights, contour shapes. Later the part building starts layer by layer. Finally the component will be you are going to get the final component, and the next stage again there will be before final component one more stage is there, that is post processing, that is cleaning operations to be performed. Okay, so these are the different stages. See, power materials advantage, coming to the again advantages. So here the finished parts are in same cases functional and testable prototypes. So we are having the applications, whereas functional we can produce both functional. What is functional? It is other than other than the models, the ready to use the components which is ready to use, that is known as functional components. So as well as conceptual models. The wax models can be built in few hours, use it to make functional prototypes. So using wax material we can build taking some few hours, and we can build both the functional prototypes. Fully automatic process, it is the process is fully automatic process. And here the disadvantage of this particular process is high initial and maintenance operational cost. That means initial cost for this equipment is high, and here peripherals and facility requirements. So that complete setup. So here again polyamide. So types of powders. So these are the types of powders. Unfilled means the pure polyamide powder, that is we are having coding, and the color the white and it filled second
Sir.
category on the చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఆ స్క్రీన్ ఇందాకదే చెప్పారు కదా సార్, అదే ప్రాసెస్ అదే ఉంది సార్. మరి స్లైడ్ ఒకసారి అడగండి సార్ అందరినీ. క్యాడ్ మోడల్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఇప్పుడు కనపడుతుందా?
నో సార్, అలాగే ఉంది సార్.
నౌ
లోడ్ అవుతుందని చూపిస్తుంది సార్. ఎస్ సార్, అవ్వలేదు సార్.
అవ్వలేదు సార్.
see rapid prototyping techniques screen.
Okay.
సార్ ఓపెన్ అయింది సార్.
On the system may have some problems. So these are the advantages and disadvantages, and this is the materials, different powder materials in the selective laser sintering. So PA 2200, that is again this particular polyamide powders, we are having three types. One is unfilled, filled, and carbon filled. So unfilled, that is pure polyamide powder, that is color in white, in whitish in color. And next, filled, glass filled polyamide, that is PA 3200GF. so the material the powder code it is given graded, the powder is graded as PA 3200GF, that is the color feature is semi black color. So and again carbon filled, the other name is carbomide, and the color will be in pure blackish color. And polystyrene, so second category powder is used for the form of plaster casting, ceramic shell casting, vacuum casting. So these are the different casting process, production of casting process materials here given. And the average size of the plastic powder ball, so average size it is given 60 microns. 60 microns is the plastic powder ball. And build temperature it is 160 degrees, 166.5 degrees. And average size of the metallic powder is 20 microns. So let us see video.
Once the nylon powder is loaded in the supply container and digital instructions are programmed, the laser unit directs a high-powered beam to a reflective mirror. From there, a galvamotor system steers the focused beam to the powder surface. Each layer of part geometry is then sintered into a heated bed of nylon. Pistons move the supply container up and the build chamber down, while a roller moves across the bed to distribute the next layer of powder. Excess powder is captured in a collection container. The process is repeated layer by layer until the build is complete. Need quality 3D print? Once the nylon powder is loaded in the supply container and digital instructions are programmed, the laser unit directs a high-powered beam to a reflective mirror. From there, a galvamotor system steers the focused beam to the powder surface. Each layer of part geometry is then sintered into a heated bed of nylon. Pistons move the supply container up and the build chamber down, while a roller moves across the bed to distribute the next layer of powder. Excess powder is captured in a collection container. The process is repeated layer by layer until the build is complete. Need quality 3D printed parts? Get an instant quote today at Proto Labs.
I think you have got the idea about this SLS technique. Hello? Hello? Video, I
Yes,
think
sir.
many of you has been seen.
Yes, sir.
See, one more high capacity, one more video I am going to show, which is having high capacity SLA technique. So rotating mirror. So far we have seen the both basic process and high capacity. Nowadays they have given the comparison also. So they have shown only build chamber, the process which is actually the component developing, where the component is going to develop, that particular cavity they have shown exactly. So purely this is powder based. So let me ask some students. 23, who is 23? Abhilash? Is it వచ్చాడండి Abhilash? So far he is not attended to single class. 59, Srinath. Srinath.
Hello, sir.
Next, A6. A6. Okay, these people, these 3 students, not at all attended to one class also. So remind them if you are having they are having in your neighbor places.
59 health problems, sir.
సార్ నరసింహరావు గారు చెప్పండి సార్. హలో సార్, అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. సార్, హలో సార్, నరసింహరావు గారు.
సార్
సార్ చెప్పండి.
వినపడుతుందా సార్?
వినపడుతుంది చెప్పండి.
సార్ సారీ ఫర్ ది ఇంట్రడక్షన్. హలో,
చెప్పండి సార్, చెప్పండి, వినపడుతుంది.
ఏం లేదు సార్, స్టూడెంట్స్ కి మధ్యలో కొంతమంది లీవ్ అవుతున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి అటెండెన్స్ ఉండదు. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పర్సనల్ మెసేజెస్ చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు కొంచెం వార్న్ చేయండి సార్.
Actually, we have to note down that numbers and admit చేసేటప్పుడు చూసుకోవడం ఇంకా మనం చేసేది.
సార్ జనరలైజ్డ్ వార్న్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే రైట్. ఇది ఒక సింగిల్ క్లాస్ కూడా అటెండ్ అవ్వని స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారండి. ఇంటిమేట్ చేస్తున్నాం వాళ్ళకి. జస్ట్ 1 క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయిన వాళ్ళు కూడా నెంబర్ 60
కౌన్సిలర్స్ ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తారు, డోంట్ వరీ. బట్ సార్ కొంతమంది కామెంట్స్, పర్సనల్ కామెంట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఒక్కసారి వాళ్ళని వార్న్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్.
So far I have not received, sir. But okay, I will intimate to them.
Okay,
Okay sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay sir, thank you.